Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be washing my AliExpress wig that you've probably seen me wearing like 2 videos. So I am using lukewarm water. That's probably the best water. That's always what I use. I just learned from other videos that I've watched in the past to use when you're washing your wig. So I normally just fill it up. I could only find this bowl, I guess you could call it bowl or bassinet. Is that how they say it? So I just use that. So now I'm gonna go in with my Yadain Roots Repair and Restore Complex Reconstructive Shampoo. I'm not really picky when it comes to shampoos. I just use any shampoo, honestly. So I just wanted to finish this one. This was hard doing this with one hand and filming at the same time. Until later in this video when I found out a better angle to put my camera down and film for you guys. So I apologize if it's kind of like shaking while I'm trying to do it, wash at the same time. But I pretty much just kind of just rinse it in the shampoo and the hair. Nothing fancy. I just want my hair to smell good, really. It doesn't really bother me if I do it this way. Okay, and then of course, after doing that, I rinse it out. Normally, I get new water to rinse it out because shampoo is still staying in there. And then I let it drain a little bit to get some of the water out. Okay, now for the conditioner, I'm using the rest of my Soultanicals Not Sauce Coil Detangler because I just wanted to be done with that. Now when I use this, I wasn't really too big on making sure that my hair is perfect. I've used this on my coily clip-ins, but in this, I detangled this a little bit, but not too much because I didn't want to disturb the curls just because of the way this wig is specifically made. I just wanted to get really have the hair feeling soft. And then I just flipped it over and just put some on the other side. Okay, this is when I finally found out. I don't know why I didn't think about this, but I found another angle to let you guys. So as you can see, I'm just going in the comb. Some parts are a little rough, even when I brush it normally, so I didn't really go all the way up to the top, but I tried to at least just comb it out a little bit because I honestly didn't put as much conditioner just because I didn't have that much left. But when it comes to my curly hair, I kind of like to treat it like my hair for the most part. But I also do not want to. I didn't want to kill the curls as well, so I just slightly try to take some of the tangles out as best as I could, because some of it was just not gonna come out, and I think that's due to, of course, me not putting as much conditioner. Because I'm sure if I had soaked it up, it would have definitely been a little easier for sure to take out the tangles. And then I was even going through, kind of trying to finger detangle if I could, just to get through some of the hair. So I was just trying to get the ends at least, just to kind of get that and then comb that out a little bit more. The thing with curly wigs that I think in comparison to straight wigs, curly wigs you can get away with not doing too much. Whereas a straight wig, you have to kind of, I feel like, be a little more cautious and stuff so you don't ruin it when it comes to like combing it, in my opinion. I feel like with curly wigs, as it ages, it doesn't have to be like super defined. It can just kind of be free pretty much. So I'm just rinsing out the conditioner, trying to make sure that all of it is out. So this is what it's looking like. Curls are still popping for the most part. Well, then I try to drain as much water as I can, but of course still a lot of water is going to come out. So now I'm going to use my hanger. Normally that's what I do when I get my wigs. And then I pretty much attach my wig to the hanger and use a clip, a hair clip, to hold it down, so just so that it can kind of hang on something. Ooh, hold on. I'm fixing it though. I normally just pin the top of the wig and then let the rest of the hair hang, because I want it to dry as much as possible. Okay, and then I added one more just to secure and make sure it doesn't fall down again, because I don't want it to fall in the water. So I just let it hang, because of course I air dry my wigs, so it's going to take a while for it to dry. But this is what it's looking like, full view. So as you can see, the water is just hanging, so I just let it do that. But yeah, make sure you like, you comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification button and subscribe button. I just want to show you guys. So this is it currently in my room. There's a puddle of water still falling. I just normally leave it like this, and then I'll just flip it over when I feel like one side is dry, so that it can fully air dry. Bye.